Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just finished up Thomas's Street Glide. He's from South Carolina. We did a full Cicada build on this bike. The bike sounds tremendous. Tremendous is an understatement. It sounds better than tremendous. So it was a pretty big build. We had to use a couple of lithium batteries, a whole bunch of Stingers, 0-gauge wire to wire this bike up. We ended up going with a full Cicada build, so we have Cicada CH in the fairing, Soundstream SI head unit, HKI Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness. We ended up doing Cicada CH in the lids, Cicada CH in the lowers. Then we did Cicada 35 millimeter horns in the lids. We did 4 Cicada 10s. So each bag has 2 Cicada 10-inch carbon mid-bass drivers. To power the 10s, we did an 8000.1 sound digital. In the fairing, we ran a 1600 and a 1200.4. The bike, the fit and finish was amazing. Everything came out great. The bike sounded tremendous. We posted a little teaser video a couple of days ago, and I literally got 50 phone calls asking what bags those are. Those are the Hellraiser bags by Powerhouse. Eric did a great job in these bags. Once we got them in, we added a little more fiberglass on the inside, but we didn't do too much work to them. But if you notice in the videos, got no rattles. The bags were nice and stiff. Eric and his team in Powerhouse completely killed it. These bags came out really good. I didn't order the saddlebags. The client ordered the saddlebags himself and had Eric paint them too. Eric did a great job. Everything was a perfect match. The tail lined up beautifully. The drop rail kit. This is a drop rail kit, so you're not putting this on any standard bike. In order to use these bags, just like all the big audio bags on the market, you need a side dump exhaust. So dual exhaust out the back's not going to work. This is a drop rail. So for people that don't understand what drop rail is, where the saddlebag would normally sit on the rail, that rail is completely eliminated. It's a custom rail made with a flat plate on the bottom. So where that rail would normally come in here, since the rail's all the way on the bottom now on a flat plate, you gain like half a cubic foot to 0.75 cubic feet per bag minimum. These bags were nicely put together. The Cicada 10s fit in with 0 modification. They dropped right in. We use a couple of different companies' bags in the shop, but the fit and finish on all of them is not great. These are one of the good ones. So the build is pretty straightforward. We had to make sure everything was safe, so I pride myself on how the wiring came out on the bike. So if you follow MECP certification or electrical certification for 12 volt, and I see a lot of people make this mistake, you need a fuse within 18 inches of each battery. Some people make a mistake and only put a fuse by the front battery or only put a fuse by the rear battery. You have to protect the wire going back, and you have to protect the wire going forward. We actually got a fuse within 6 inches of the battery, both front and back. So that means the exposed wire that can potentially short, the shorter you make that wire, the safer you make the bike. So we literally have the fuse holder in the back is literally 6 inches away from the positive terminal, and the fuse holder in the front is literally 6 inches away from the positive terminal. We did 0-gauge runs back and forth, so the bike flows enough current to feed that 8000.1. Then also, we made sure that the battery was super secure under the tail, so we used 1/4-20 threaded rods to go under the steel plate, nut and bolted it from the bottom. Then we did an aluminum bus bar on top, nut and bolted it from the top with Loctite, so that battery's not going anywhere. These baggers vibrate a lot, they shake a lot. We just wanted to make sure building a bike that sounds good is cool, but it's got to be safe. So we make sure everything's super safe, make sure everything's wired properly, make sure it's wired safely, securely, and we make sure it's serviceable. So you're going to see in the video that once you pull the bag, the fuses are right there. When you go under the seat, if you pull the side cover, the fuses are right there. So if you need to service the bike for any reason, if the bike needs to go to the dealership, they can just pull the fuses from both fuse blocks and then go ahead and service the bike like a factory bike. If they disconnect our T harness from the radio and plug in the factory harness, then the front is back to factory and the radio now powers the factory speaker pods. So we try and make it simple, serviceable. That way the dealer doesn't hate you when you take the bike in for service. But check it out. This is a really nice build. He trusted it with us. To say that he's happy with it would be an understatement. He was ecstatic. He came in with his playlist. We played the bike with my playlist for about an hour. Then we played it for about an hour with his playlist. Flawless. Check out the build.
But I'm all ashamed. Now isn't the time to play it safe. Isn't this the reason why you came? So, baby, don't you let it go to waste. Are you down, da da down, da da down, da da down, down, down? Down, da da down, da da down, da da down, down, down. Every single thing is feeling right. Started as a quiet Friday night. I don't really think that we should fight this. What if we don't stop until it's light? Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Are you down, did it down, did it down, did it down, down, down? Are you
all they do is this. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. What people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL. I'm the MVP, most ballin' player. Make my own moves. Call me the mayor. Monday night, you know things change with time. Magic City back looking like 8 and 9. All my homies on the south side up in the Ritz. Tuesday night, the Velvet Room, same shit. Wednesday, strokers, I don't go no more, cause they don't know how to.
Dum-dums bust the scientifical approach to the course, and the force is centrifugal. Can you find your way through the lyrics?
groove, slightly transformed. Just a bit of a break from the norm. Just a little something to break the monotony of all that hardcore dance that has gotten to be a little bit out of control. It's cool to dance, but what about a groove to suit?
When I was young, if I said to my mum I was going to go to a snooker hall, she'd probably clip me round the ears. Bad places, you know, misspent years, all those type of phrases. But the reality is, it's just ordinary blokes.
This the realest since Kumbaya. Kumbaya, killer can, my lord, still the man with the pen, still a fan, more board. Ambitious, they wanna do the meaning.
My earth is the grip pump on my lap at all times. Whatever my nigga, cause young niggas still dying. Alibaba, huh? Nigga, what? Huh? Give a fuck, nigga, what? Full of that weed, planted like a policy. A slanted and a chanting happy nigga named Young Bleed Carleon. In the jungle where the murder men mumble for months and days, tripping off the blunts. We play hell of a high and telling them why I'ma never say die. You can see it in my eyes. And niggas say I fly like an eagle and see no evil eye. And ain't no sequel to this heat. This year I'm building in the dump, supernatural. Wicked.
Nigga can't outstunt me when it comes to these fucking cars, nigga. Believe that. You know me, I don't need no introduction and shit. Ride business round the city on buttons, you bitch. All painted wrist banging, just stunting and shit. Drop the top, block is high, stay bumping, you bitch. Get the entrance, get it right, don't tangle and twist it. Hit the club every night, drunk, drinking and Chrissy. Niggas mad, don't like it cause I'm banging these bitches. When the light hit the ice, it twinkle and glisten. Baby, why be when you click on?
I just got one thing left to do.
Okay.
And this is it, just right here.
Oh shit.
We can't get enough. We can't get enough. DJ, run that track there.
Charles Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Thomas took the trip from South Carolina to New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on his beautiful, beautiful Street Glide. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
100%.
Thank you for trusting us.
Hey, no problem.